There is another condo coming into Canberra, but this time round, it is not an executive condominium but a private condo. This project is the Watergardens at Canberra, a 5-story low-rise development. Executive condominium, commonly known as EC, is usually sold at a lower price compared to private condo. The Watergardens will be nearby new EC like Park Canberra and Provo residences. Will the surrounding EC affect the sales of the private condo in the future? If you want to buy a unit in the Watergarden, which unit type should you choose? Let's check it out. To answer the first question, will the surrounding EC affect the sales of the private condo in the future? I have selected 1 Canberra and 8 Courtyard, which is opposite the Watergardens at Canberra. 1 Canberra is a EC completed in the year 2015 with 665 units. 8 Courtyard is a private condo completed in the year 2014 with 654 units. These two condos are quite similar. They are completed 1 year apart, similar number of units, and both are high-rise condo. This table shows the 10 highest and the 10 lowest transactions for 1 Canberra. 1 Canberra is an executive condominium with 121 transactions. The top 10 transactions are all above 330,000, with the highest at 434,000. For the lowest 10 transactions, there are 2 below 100,000 and the rest is above 100,000. Usually, for a profit of 100,000, I'm guessing that the owner just break even because there is buyer stamp duty when you buy, renovation cost, and also agent commission when you sell. Second timer will also need to pay a resale levy if they have previously bought a brand new HDB or a resale HDB with grant. To see if a transaction is profitable or not, I will categorize profit above 100,000 as profitable transaction and profit below 100,000 as unprofitable transaction. For 1 Canberra, there is 119 profitable transactions and 2 unprofitable transactions. 8 Courtyards is a private condo with a total of 179 transactions. Based on the benchmark of 100,000 profit, there are 41 unprofitable transactions below 100,000 profit and 138 profitable transactions above 100,000 profit. This table shows the top 10 transactions for 8 Courtyards. They have a profit of about 250,000 and above before expenses, and one case of over 300,000 and one case of 900,000 profit. This unit with such a high profit is mainly due to the undervalue purchase. Comparing the top 10 profitable transactions for both projects, EC have a better returns of about 300,000 to 400,000, while private condo, the profits is about 200,000 to 300,000. As for the holding period, private condo holding period is much shorter, mostly below 3,000 days, while EC holding period is much longer, mostly above 3,000 days. EC holding period is usually longer because they have to comply with a minimum occupation period of 5 years. For private condo, there is no such requirement, so if the market is good, they can choose to exit. Just take note of the seller's stamp duty of 3 years. If possible, sell your private condo before the EC supply come into the resale market. Now, for the next question. If you want to buy a unit in the Watergardens, which unit type should you choose? For the Watergarden, your two main competitors are Park Canberra and Provo residences. EC are usually built for family use. Therefore, most of their units are 3-bedroom, with some 4 and 5-bedroom. There is only one unit of 2-bedroom in Park Canberra. If you want to include the Vision Air and the Brownstone, we are looking at 78 units of 2-bedroom for both EC combined. So, the supply of 2-bedroom in Canberra area will be low at about 79 units. In the future, if the buyer is looking for 2-bedroom condo, they can only choose from resale unit from the Vision Air and the Brownstone EC, or the Watergardens if they want new units. Do bear in mind that the Watergardens have 219 units of 2-bedroom within the project, which is nearly 50% of the total units. If you feel that it is a concern, you can consider buying a 4-bedroom. The Watergardens at Canberra have 60 units of 4-bedroom, and the total units of 4-bedroom in Canberra area is about 400. Based on the 4 ECs and the Watergarden, the total supply of 4-bedroom is about 460 units, which is below 18% of the total supply of 2,586 units.
To round up, buyers are still buying into Canberra, whether it is the executive condominium or private condominium. Private condo profit is not as good as EC, but your holding period can be shorter. EC will be a safer bet because there is only 2 unprofitable transactions, whereas for private condo, there is a total of 41 unprofitable transactions. Therefore, for private condo, careful planning of your entry and exit strategy, knowledge on unit selection, and understanding the supply and demand of the area are all important considerations when you buy a unit. Unit selection method for high-rise condo and low-rise condo is quite different. To understand how to select a unit in the Watergardens or any other project you have in mind, click on the WhatsApp link in the description below and we can get in touch. If you find this information useful, a like in this video is very much appreciated, and do consider to subscribe to my channel. See you!